We have new details tonight in a 2021 murder case. A Michigan man charged with killing Dee Warner and hiding her body faced a judge today. Megan Hartnett was in the courtroom as Dee Warner appeared virtually. Megan, his trial is set for next year?
Kaylee, that's the news that came out of court this morning. The trial was initially scheduled for September, but now is set to start on January 27th of next year. This is at the request of the defense for medical reasons. The defense presented 5 motions to the judge. One was to suppress evidence in 2 search warrants. Dee Warner's defense attorney, Mary Chartier, asked for a hearing as she says there are discrepancies in statements and texts. Chartier says in a statement made to a detective, Greg Hardy, Dee's brother, and Parker Hardy, Dee's nephew, say they saw Dale in an anhydrous tank on the day Dee was reported missing. Dee's body was found after nearly 3 years in a chemical tank on Dale's property. Chartier says in text messages, Greg says, quote, he has not seen the tank personally. The prosecution says this does not mean there was a false statement. The judge says there was still enough probable cause for the search warrants, and he denied the motion. Chartier also made a motion to suppress and preclude phone calls from jail. She says the prosecution violated Dale's 4th Amendment privacy right when prosecutors and police listened to 2 calls he had made from jail. She says no member of the public is able to ask the jail and listen to calls.
It should be the same for the police and the prosecutor on a case. When they request to listen to phone calls, they should be denied unless they have a search warrant that gives them access to those phone calls, which they didn't in this case. And that's the basis of the motion to suppress 2 phone calls that the government has.
The judge says the expectation of privacy is not reasonable since Dale knew the calls were being recorded. The judge denied the motion but did give the defense access to Warner's calls as well. Reporting in studio, Megan Hartnett, WTOL 11.